Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetic. This time we are here with a stunning Mehendi look for all brides to be. This look is perfect for a day or night Mehendi ceremony. Without any further ado, let's get started. We'll be starting with Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It is going to prep her skin for the makeup, at the same time give highlighted dewy look. For base we are using airbrush finish foundation. It is full coverage, waterproof, sweat proof and gives very natural finish to the skin. For blush we are using Cheek It Up blush, which gives Lumi matte finish. Little goes very long way, so make sure you apply very less. As you can see, her face looks more lifted and chiseled with Cheek It Up blush. It's a perfect product for day as well as night. Moving on to the eye look, I am using